that?
Probably. But don't worry, Kitty. We're not gonna let her rain on Paris's parade.
Hey, was that a pun I heard, milady?
Yep. A little change is good, don't you think?
I love that girl.
Don't be bemused. It's just the news. Astronauts in orbit around the Earth confirmed that our planet has shifted off its axis and is moving away from the sun.
Stormy weather seems way stronger than the first time around.
And it's that brat Chloe's fault again.
If only things could go back to the way they were before Hawkmoth and all those villains.
You mean before we met?
No, of course not. I didn't mean it that way.
It's weird to think of it. But if it weren't for Hawkmoth, you and I might not be here right now.
Actually, it's thanks to Ladybug we're together.
And you'll be safe.
True. And for becoming superheroes too. Both of us.
Rena Rouge and Carapace, I need you both.
You're Rena Rouge?
Of course I am. Trix, let's pounce.
So awesome! Ways, shell on!
I suspected you were Carapace from the very beginning.
So there's nothing I can hide from you?
You've always been a terrible liar.
Oh, yeah, that villain that makes the weather bad. She's too scary. Protect us.
Come on, flyweights. No need to worry. I'll protect you.
Well, one thing's for sure, we aren't going anywhere.
What is she doing? She needs to come and give me my Miraculous right now. Aren't I the best superhero of them all? Yes, of course you are, Chloe. Nobody's nicer than me. So true.